Heshima gani?
Jatend migao Thieth Aden Duale kawuono riwore kod oganda din Jo-Salam e alap Masa Ali Muslim Club Grounds e boma ma Nairobi ingo nyasi mar Eid al-Fitr, kama oseyo kweth maketo sirkal tesre kuom siko dir ayany ne jatend piny Kenya. Duale owacho ni weche machalo kamago eko ok gin gik makare, kendo kwayo jok makelo sirkal tesre mondo wediro weche maricho ne jatend piny ka kowacho ni ber mondo giyang ajenda margi. Nomedo wacho ni mondo giti gi kwe kendo ginya yore mag dongruok mopogore opogore ma sirkal chwalo e kor gwenge ma pacho ka. Unaenda mbio sana.
Our colleagues in the opposition went very personal against the presidency, against communities, against religions, and against the office of the presidency. And I really want to ask them to go back to the memory. Also, my good friend Rigathi Gachagua, he called communities like the Somali community Al-Shabaab. He disparaged the Muslim community. He disparaged the president individually, character-wise. So he cannot have his cake and eat it. The president for a number of times told them, let us have a discussion, an agenda, critique my manifesto, critique the housing, critique the universal health coverage, critique what we are doing in agriculture, critique what we are doing in education, critique how we brought back the economy back to its feet. But they went for name calling of the president. They have given the president so many names.
Oganda Jo-Islam e kaunti ma Migori noriwore kod jowetegi ingo nyasi mar Eid al-Fitr, nyasi manobagi e muskiti mopogore opogore kama ne